Chapter 7.2b, it's a classwork and homework for adding and subtracting polynomials. Question number 1 on this one is adding 7x plus 2 plus 3x plus 5. You're going to rewrite this as 7x plus 2 plus 3x plus 5. So the question was 7x plus 2 plus 3x minus 5. You're going to combine the like terms, so that's going to be 10x minus 3. So the first answer is 10x minus. Question number 2 we have here is 5k square minus 3k plus 4 plus 3k minus 7. I'm going to rewrite this without the bracket, and this time we do not have to change the sign inside because the sign outside is positive. And now we are going to combine the like terms. Now if we are going to combine these terms, that this k squared, nothing to combine with, will remain as it is, 5k squared. But remember this 3k and negative 3k get cancelled completely. Negative 3k and positive 3k cancel completely, make it 0. And what you left with is 4 minus 7, and that's going to be negative 3. So this should be my answer. Now question number 3 is 9p plus 2 minus 4p plus 10. Now you're going to distribute the negative inside, and you got negative 4p minus 10. Now we are going to combine 9p minus 4p. 9p minus 4p is going to be 5p. 2 minus 10 is going to be negative 8. So my answer is 5p minus 8. My next problem is problem number 4, and that is m to the third plus 2 minus 3m cube plus m square minus 9. And in this case, I'm going to distribute the negative inside. So that's going to be negative 3m cube minus m square plus 9. And now I'm going to combine the like terms, this term with this term. M square would be by itself, and 2 plus 9. So this is m cube minus 3m cube. M minus 3 would be negative 2m cube minus m squared as it is, because this is the term that we do not have any like term. We are going to combine the 2 and 9, and that's going to give you plus 11. So negative 2m cube plus minus m squared plus 11. Now we're going to do is number 5, and then the question number 5 is going to be p square minus 3pq plus 8q square, and there is a negative sign, and inside the bracket is p square minus 2pq. Rewrite, always rewrite when there is a negative in between. Distribute the negative. So you got here is negative p square plus 2pq. We are going to combine the like terms. When we combine the like terms, this p square and negative p square cancel. Negative 3pq plus 2pq would be negative pq plus 8q square, because there is no other term to combine with 8q square. Next is going to be number 6, where you have negative 7f square plus 8g square plus f square minus 5fg minus g square. For number 6, you're going to rewrite these two polynomials without the bracket sign and make sure there is this plus sign. In this time, you do not distribute the negative or change anything inside. Now combine the like term. Negative 7f square plus f square is negative 6f square. 8g square minus 1g square is 7g square, and negative 5fg, and that's going to be your answer. Number 7, again I would write the equation and I would distribute the negative inside the bracket because there is a negative outside. And I got here is negative 3y cubed plus 8y minus 6 minus y cubed plus 5y plus 2. Combine the like terms. I got negative 3y cubed minus y cubed is negative 4y cubed. 8y plus 5y is 13y, and negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4.